And we are with Arturo. Arturo, can you tell us? Can you teach us one word in Spanish that you like most? Like I don't know, a funny word that you like most, like me vale madre, chingón,
Poca madre.
If you like to say that,
Poca madre.
poca madre. Poca madre. What that means?
Badass.
Okay. Can you tell us three spots that you like most in Porto? Can be restaurants, the beach, the museum, something that you like most in Porto. Campanario first.
Yeah, of course.
And it's
Pirata.
El Pirata. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more.
And I like the diving lounge.
Diving lounge.
Yes, of course.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Artur.